Hey guys, it's Amy from livinglacurdo.com, and we are right now snowed in Texas. So while you're watching this, hopefully we will be de-thawed by then. But I've been looking at our treehouse and it's so cute, especially with all the snow. And I thought, what could I do to make it even cuter? And I wanted to make an Easter wreath, but I don't have any materials here because we're snowed in. But I do have this old screen pan catcher, like for the grease. It's clean, but it's dirty and needs to be thrown out. And I have these really pretty napkins. So let's see what I can make with this. I've got an idea. I think you're gonna think it's really cute.
First, I cut a stocking cap shape out of a cardboard box. And then I attached the napkin to the cardboard piece with hot glue. Next, I hot glued the fur, which is going to be a beard. Can you guess what we're making? Just add it onto the screen and fluff it up and then trim it with scissors. Now add the hat with hot glue onto the screen. Look how cute! And of course it needs a nose. You guys, you know this is a gnome now. Isn't he fun? Okay, so we're just gonna keep gluing. Now it's time to decorate your gnome, and you can add all kinds of embellishments. Here's what I did, and I think he turned out so cute. I used pipe cleaners and duct tape to add a hanger on the back of this little door hanger. Turned out okay.
The cutest little gnome door hanger. Look! I can't wait to see. There's still some light left. I'm gonna go put him on the tree house and see what it looks like. You guys, seriously, this turned out so cute. Oh my gosh. Is that not the cutest?